Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to guide you through the process of adding an occupation on Gmail. So let's dive in. Step 1. Open your device's Settings app and locate the Google option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 2. Once you're in the Google settings, find and tap on Manage your Google account. Step 3. At the top of the screen, you'll see different options. Tap on Personal Info to access your personal information settings. Step 4. Within the Personal Info section, look for the Choose What Others See option. Tap on it, and you'll be directed to the About Me page. Step 5. On the About Me page, you'll find an option to add work and education. Tap on it to provide details about your occupation. Step 6. Now, click on Add Occupation and enter your occupation in the provided field. Step 7. Once you've entered your occupation, don't forget to click on Save to apply the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added your occupation to your Gmail profile. Remember, adding your occupation can make your Gmail profile more informative and give a professional touch to your interactions. So, why wait? Give it a try. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.